Hello guys, and welcome to another edition of our online class. And today we'll be looking at the square root of numbers. Now when we say square root of numbers, what are we actually talking about? Now the square root of a number is finding a number that when used or if used to multiply itself will give us the actual number that we asked to find the square root. Now, when we look at some of the examples in this package, you will get to find or understand more of what we're talking about in square root of numbers. Now, looking at this example, we've been asked to find the square root of 36. Now, in finding the square root of a number, the best method to use is the method of factorization. Now, factorization means dividing to obtain your factor. When you obtain your factor, then you can then find your square root from these factors. So let's find the square root of 36. This sign here means square root. Whenever a number is attached to this sign, it means you've been asked to find the square root, or you are dealing with the square root of a number. Now, 36. What can go into 36 without a remainder? 2 can go. Now 2 into 36 will give us 18. What can go into 18? When I say go, I mean divide. What can divide 18 without a remainder? 2 can divide 18. So 2 divided by 18, or 18 divided by 2 rather, will give us 9. Now what can go into 9 without a remainder? 3 goes into 9, we get 3. Now what can go into 3 without a remainder? 3 goes into 3, will give us 1. Now when you get 1, it means you are done getting all the factors of that number. Now the factors of 36 are 2, 2, 3, and 3. So therefore, square root of 36 will be equal to square root of 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. Now, because we are trying to find the same value, because we said the square root of a number is finding a number that if used to multiply itself would give us that number. So we are trying to look for the same value, which we don't have here, because 2 times 2 will give us 4, while 3 times 3 will give us 9. 4 and 9 are not of the same value. So we have to take 1 from here and 1 from here. So 2, 3. 2 times 3 times 2 times 3. So 2 times 3 will give us 6, and 2 times 3 will also give us 6. So we are actually picking 1 out of the 2. So 2 times 3 is equal to 6. Therefore, the square root of 36 is equal to 6, meaning if we are going to multiply 6 by 6, we will definitely get 36. Now the second example, we have to find the square root of 576. Now using the method of factorization, you also use 2 into 576 will give us 288. 2 into 288 will give us 144. 2 into 144 will give us 72. And 2 into 72 will give us 36. 2 into 36 will give us 18. And 2 into 18 will give us 9. 3 into 9, will give us 3, and 3 into 3 will give us 1. So therefore, we're going to list out all the factors and then share them into a group. 2 times 2 in one group, 2 times 2 in one group, 2 times 2 in another group, and 3 times 3 in another group. Just like what we have here. We can see them all outlined. So we're going to take each factor from each of these groups. 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. Then multiply. Therefore, our square root becomes 2 times 2, that's 4. 4 times 2, 8. And 8 times 3, 24. Therefore, the square root of 576 is 24. So if you multiply 24 by 24, we are obviously going to get 576. So that is it for square root.